Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another new class. My lovely students, are you okay? I hope you all are safe and sound. Alhamdulillah. Today, in which topics I am going to teach you, I will not mention first. You have to guess about it. Obviously, I will give you some clue. So, you need to be more attentive and careful. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Think something that is in our practical life. We can do some activities by ourselves. Then anyone can say you or me, wow, you are active person. On the other hand, some activities are done by others. Then we are just in passive mood. So, your time is now. And the question is, you have to try to guess what I am going to teach. Yes, you are absolutely correct, my brilliant students. That is voice. Now, my today's topic is voice. What is voice? Okay. Now, again, the question is, do you know what is the definition of voice? If I clearly mention, voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject is active or passive. So, by the definition, what kind of voice we get? Yes, that is active voice and passive voice. Again, the question arises, what is active voice? Active voice expresses an action performed by the subject. And also, what is passive voice? Again, passive voice expresses an action upon the subject. Okay, definition is clear? Thank you, my lovely students. Okay, be attentive and look what I am writing on the board. Okay, look at. Farmers cultivate lands during the rainy season. What I have written? Look at the board. That is, farmers cultivate lands during the rainy season. First of all, if you change voice, that is active to passive, you need to be identify and also divide subject, verb, and also object. You see, that is here, that is subject, and then we can find verb. And again, here, that is object. And the other is, we can say it extension. That is, it is extension. Now, how can we change it? Active to passive. Look, you must remember that in any voice, you have to transform object or also term. Object, obviously transform here into subject. That is, here lens becomes subject in passive voice. That is, I am writing lens. And another is, if you can change voice, you have to identify first of all what type of sentence it is and also what type of tense it is. Look, farmers cultivate lands. Obviously it is assertive. And also notice it is present indefinite tense. Okay. Already I have written here subject. Then you need to put, that is auxiliary. As it is present indefinite, you have to remember that here you can put auxiliary M is R. Based on tense also person. Here it is plural, then we can use here R. And the most important thing that always in passive voice you have to use verbs past participle form. Yes, past participle form, that is cultivate. Here we can use cultivated. Cultivated. Okay. Lands are cultivated. Almost my voice is complete. And again notice the rest of the sentence or rest of the word we have to say it is extension. That's why this extension you can use after verb past participle form. Yes, here we can use during the rainy season. Rainy season. Okay. One thing is more, that is you have to put an preposition. In most of the voice we use preposition by. Others preposition also be used but not over there. Most of the time we use preposition by. Okay. Then need to transform or need to turn subject into object by farmers. Okay. All my students, are you clear? It is easy? Thank you. Okay. I'm also giving you some other sentences. That is, look. Newspaper gives us information. What I have written? Newspaper gives us information. So, I think you clearly divide what is subject and verb and other object and also extension. Am I right? Okay, that is subject. And also it is verb and object and then extension. Already I think it is done by you. Am I right? Thank you. Now it is time for me. Now look. Here it is objective form and also pronoun. You know, it is object. So you need to transform. It is subject. Now we can write here we. You know, it is subjective form. Now look. Again you need to write auxiliary. That is are. Again verb past participle, that is given. Again extension, that is information. And then preposition by newspaper. Okay, my dear students. Again I clear it is. Look, as it is present indefinite, you need to write auxiliary am is are. But if it is past indefinite, you need to write was or were. Am I clear? Am is or where it is used if it is present indefinite, and also was where it is used where it is past indefinite. Again, I also give an example in past indefinite tense. Look. They invited me to join the party. They invited me to join the party. Look, what type of tense it is? Yes, obviously it is past indefinite tense. Again, the formula is clear and the structure is clear. You just remember that what type of auxiliary you can use. Look, it is object. You are clear? Now I can turn it into subjective form, that is I. Now, as it is past indefinite, auxiliary was or where you have to use over there, that is was. I was. And also notice that already it is past participle form, so no need to change. I was invited, and extension we can notice to join the party, and also preposition by, and again it is pronoun, and also it is called subjective form. You need to turn it objective form, that is them. Clear? Okay. Look, I think I'm giving you some examples. Already I have discussed you. I'm sure as you are my brilliant students, you can catch my instruction. Am I right? Thank you. But if you feel any complexity in changing any other voice, you can share or you can comment me in my comment section. Inshallah, I will help you to solve your problem. Okay, my lovely students? Okay, last of all, I just want to know from my brilliant students, are these classes helpful to you? If it is, thanks to our Honorable Principal Sir, because all credit goes to him. And also, I request you, say prayers and pray to the Almighty Allah for our safety. Thank you again, my lovely students, for watching my classes. Be safe and be happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.